Hello. I wanted to make a short video because I bought a mechanic preheater. Let me show you how it looks. So this is the top. It says it's the IX5 Mini thermostatic preheating platform. It's a 10-in-1. It says that it's for XXS, XS Max, 11, 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, 12, 12 Mini, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max. This is used for basically detaching the iPhone sandwich boards. What I found interesting is that yesterday when I received the package, I briefly tested it. Well, first I couldn't use it because it comes with this sort of plug, which is kind of useless here, so I had to adapt it. But I found a few weird things about it. For example, it has the power cord and it has this on-off button. It's powered directly by 220 volts, which is a bit weird and concerning. And it has here this button that I have no idea what it does. I looked online on all sorts of websites that sell it or advertise it, and there is absolutely no picture that has this button here, so I have no idea what it does. Nevertheless, when I first, like if we look here on the case, the button doesn't appear. Instructions were very brief, and they were in Chinese, so no help there. What I found weird was that yesterday when I powered it on, I had a feeling that it was warming extremely fast, and it felt very warm. What I would like to test is to see exactly if it has a thermostat and where does it stop heating. I'm gonna use my multimeter. I'm gonna place it here so you can see it. And I'm gonna use two of the thermal probes. It has a dual thermistor that we can use. This Unity, very nice one. Let me try to fix this. Okay, so I think this is for temperature, and I'm gonna connect the two sensors. This is a plus and minus. Why plus? And this is plus. That's really weird. Yeah, I'm gonna use two of them because one of them I'm gonna try to tape it with some Kapton tape. I don't know how strong of a connection it will make. This is the plus here. So we have two sensors. Let's power this on. Hope you will be able to see the written. Okay, read error. How do you activate the temperature on this one? Okay. Alright. So you see here two sensors. I think you can see well the big one, and the small one is showing now 23. Let me see which is which. Yeah, so this is the one that you see better. Let me see how I could just use the tape. and hold it in place with the tape. The other one, I'm not sure yet. Maybe we're gonna use some kind of a weight. I don't know. Let's see how the tape works. Not sure it's gonna make a very good contact there. I'm gonna use 2 pieces of tape. Like that maybe. Showing 25 degrees. And the other one, I would set it here on the side, but if I just keep it with my hand. Alright, I'm just gonna use my hand to hold it in place. And again, I don't know what this button does. I'm gonna keep it on the left. I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna power it on now. Okay, so the second sensor that you can't see very well is showing 68, I think. 72. They are pretty close. I'm curious how it will work. Oh, I lost this one. One ton. This one in the corner shows 144. And 50. It's 158, 160, the one that you can't see properly. This is making strange noises. It just does like... Hope it's not gonna blow in my face. Really weird noises. So we have 174 on the right and 163, 164 on the left, 165. The radiant heat is burning my fingers. I think this is the maximum. They are both kind of the same, 170, 169. I think this is the max. So I'm gonna try to flip this switch and see if it does something. It raises the temp. $180. The right one shows me 190 degrees. 190. Maybe it has two levels, like one keeps it at 170 and the other one goes higher. We're 200 on the right one, 198, 199, 200. 201 on the left one, 206 on the right one, 202, 206, 207, 209, 210, 2. It also doesn't have any indication if it stops hitting it or not, if there is any kind of thermostat. It appears it has stabilized around 210, 212, 213. Yeah. So it stays around this value. Alright, if I turn back the switch, let's see if it's going to go down to 170 or it will remain. Oh, I used the screw instead of on position. Yeah, so it's definitely going down. I have 207 on the right one, 191 on the left one. So probably one of them is set to, I don't know, around 180 degrees. The first position, and the second position, when the switch is on the right side, it's gonna be like 210 degrees. Yeah. Okay. This is interesting. So this is mainly what I wanted to speak about. This is extremely hot now. I can't touch it. This is the Mechanic IX5 Mini, the 10-in-1. And we'll see how it behaves. I'm a bit reluctant because it's powered directly from the socket. And of course it's not grounded, so you never know how it works. Alright, so this is it. This is not a review. It was just something that I searched for on the internet. I couldn't find any answers, so maybe this will help somebody. Cheers, bye.